Hey, Mr. Pine Wobbler. Come on. You come back again. This is like the fourth time. You want to go right there? Okay. Nope. That's a little too close. Alright, come on. You're not too close. Come on, pretty bird. I think you're feeding somebody over there.